Click on the link below to get price. The Samsung Galaxy S25 SM-S931B/DS is an impressive addition to the flagship smartphone market, showcasing the brand's relentless pursuit of innovation and excellence. With its 256GB storage capacity and 12GB of RAM, this device offers exceptional performance, making it suitable for heavy multitasking and intensive gaming. The design of the Galaxy S25 is sleek and modern, featuring a stunning 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED display that delivers vibrant colors and sharp details. The screen's resolution enhances the viewing experience, whether you're streaming videos, playing games, or browsing social media. Its adaptive refresh rate of up to 120Hz ensures smooth scrolling and responsiveness, which is particularly noticeable during fast-paced gaming sessions. Powered by the latest Exynos or Snapdragon processor, depending on the region, the S25 effortlessly handles demanding applications without any lag. The 12GB of RAM provides ample memory for running multiple apps simultaneously, ensuring that transitions are seamless. The device also runs on the latest version of Android, offering an intuitive user interface and a wealth of customization options. One of the standout features of the Galaxy S25 is its camera system. It boasts a triple lens setup, including a 108MP main sensor, an ultra-wide lens, and a telephoto lens, allowing for versatile photography. Low-light performance is particularly impressive thanks to advanced AI enhancements and night mode capabilities, resulting in clear and vibrant shots in various lighting conditions. Battery life is another strong point. The S25 is equipped with a robust battery that easily lasts a full day, even with heavy usage. Fast charging, both wired and wireless, ensures you can quickly get back to using your device without long interruptions. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy S25 SM-S931B/DS is a powerhouse smartphone that combines performance, design, and advanced features. It caters to both general users and tech enthusiasts, making it a worthwhile investment for anyone seeking a top-tier device.